day 2. The dogs are going right now. Bye, Simon. Bye, Cookie. Now they will be shivering to death. Let me just. Now they will be hot to death. Changed it back. Done. Done. 네. That's definitely the highway we're going on. We're going fast in no time. A&W Road. Let's see. I can put on my seatbelt. For no reason, I turned that on. Had to use the bathroom, so got an Oreo McFlurry, a regular size. Good. So we're at the gas station and we're waiting for a spot. We still have half the tank, but we still need to fill. So yeah. Now soon it's back to school day. Yeah.